Bitcoin technical analysis video. I will begin the video from the daily time frame and I will give you my big picture analysis of Bitcoin. Later, I will provide you with my main thesis and validation and invalidation points. My main idea is that Bitcoin was moving impulsively from 25K to 49K. Following the move to 49K, Bitcoin corrected to 38,555. At the moment, I consider this correction as complete, even though it is a shallow, relatively shallow correction in price terms, and also the time, excuse me, the time Bitcoin spent in a correction is not enough. However, the reaction of the 38,500 support level was impulsive, and therefore at the moment at least, I consider this correction as complete. When will I have more certainty that this correction is complete? If Bitcoin gets above the 50% level, you can see how valid it is because it is resistance at the moment. If Bitcoin gets above 43,465, then I will consider this correction as over and done with, and I will look for more upside. Okay, this is a validation of my thesis that the correction is over and done with. When this is the 4-hour time frame, by the way, when will I be inclined to believe that this correction isn't over and we can still expect some more downside, possibly to 37K or even lower? If Bitcoin will move below the 40,550 level, which is the 0.618 of this impulsive action from 38,555 to our resistance at 43.8, if Bitcoin will move below 40,550, I will be more inclined to believe that we are expecting some more correction, and in this case we have some sort of an ABC correction. Let me show you. Let's say that this is a wave A, this is a wave B, and we are moving lower in a wave C. More or less just a rough outline. However, at the moment, I'm operating under the assumption that 38,555 was the low, because I consider this price action to be impulsive from 38,555 to 43.8, just a tiny bit below, and this here as a correction. I expected this correction, or I wanted to see this correction move lower, at least to the 0.382 fib retracement. I pulled this fib from 38,555 to the high 243.8. I expected Bitcoin to reach at least the 0.38241.8. It may still get there. If it was a bit deeper, this correction, then I would have felt more comfortable. However, we did get a correction yesterday and today during the Asian session. And at the moment, I cannot tell if this correction is complete yet, yes or no. If you will pull the hourly chart, you can draw a trend line. Maybe it's not the best of trend lines, but this is what we have here with 1 touch point, 2, 3, and we can consider this as the 4th touch point. And if I will see Bitcoin moving above this trend line and continuing to the 43,800 level, I will have more confidence that this correction is complete. Right now, we are in the, what you could say, battle fog, a lot of uncertainty in the Bitcoin chart. On the one hand, Bitcoin is sending some bullish signals, but the bullish move isn't complete. The bullish move isn't complete, in my opinion, until Bitcoin gets above, let's say, 43,800 and holds this level as support. Then the bullish move isn't complete and it's a toss up. It could go either way, to the up or to the downside. And if you are looking for confirmation to trade, then this picture at the moment is still very murky. It's not clear, but I'm assuming that in the next 1 or 2 days we will have more clarity if Bitcoin is going to continue lower below 38,555 or if this correction is over. The criteria is clear, crystal clear, so you can navigate your way through Bitcoin. Above 43,800, Bitcoin is bullish and I'm expecting continuation. Below 40,500, I'm expecting lower prices. That's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps and I will see you in the next video.